Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my new vlog. This is the fourth vlog of mine. Um, we came up with a new shoe of SUPERDRY. It's a olive sneaker. We will be unboxing it on today itself. So we will talk about the shoe. This is the shoe which I bought it. Let me turn the camera mode. This is the shoe which we are talking of about. It's a street runner olive sneaker which I bought it from Japan, but the link up is like always of Myntra. The box is of Myntra. They have linked up. So this is the shoe. I removed the inner sole of this one. We will do this one opening. Wait, let me remove the box first. Yeah, this is Super Olive street runner shoe sneaker. Did you like the mesh or not? Tell me in the comment section. We will talk about the logos firstly. You can see the logo over here, SUPERDRY Surplus New York. This is the first logo in the front. In the side you get the as usual logos, SUPERDRY. Second logo. Third logo you get like this one, which I like the most. This one is .dry SUPERDRY. In this shoe I specifically like this one, the spotted design in the down section of the sole, in the down side of the shoes. So this was that the print. I hope you can see it properly. Yeah, so 1 2 3 at the back, and last in fourth is the bottom section of the shoe. At the bottom you get the SUPERDRY fully logo, SUPERDRY dot. This is the sole, inner down sole, bottom sole you can say. This is also, I think something is written in Japanese. I don't know what it is, either Japanese or Chinese. It's written in language. So this was the shoe of the upper section, and in the inner section we get a branding stitch SUPERDRY. You can see like, wait, let me focus this. Yeah, upper part of the shoe is 35% leather, 35% polyurethane, 30% polyester, lining 50%, cotton 50%. Insole, it means the inner sole is like 100% polyester. This one, this is 100% polyester. Okay, so this is the sole. As we have already opened the sole of this one, inner sole, so we will see this one. Yeah, this is the shoe. We are not supposed to remove this one because it's not good to remove and apply again and again. If you want to wash, you can keep it and wash, otherwise keep it separately and wash and then put it back in the same shape. Otherwise it will go up and down like this, or it will get bended from here. So my suggestion is to keep there and wash it. Surplus goods, SUPERDRY. Here also you get SUPERDRY Sport. This is something different, huh? This is something different. So this was the shoe. You connected with this. The lace. The laces designs are also like spotted. It will glow. I think it will glow on when light is there. You can see. This olive color reminds me of my favorite shoe. It means my dream shoe of Travis Scott. That is also in olive color. It looks great in olive color. That shoe also. This one is also looking super great in black, gray, black, orange, white. discuss was about the shoe. This is without pad, means what this pad is like shoe pad, footprint pad. Without that, you can see. I'll show you the inner part of this, so you will get satisfied with this. You will check it good. This is also there in the left side. Here it was in the right side. So this was all about the latest shoe of mine, SUPERDRY for life. So guys, this was about the SUPERDRY shoe of mine, which I bought it like 3 to 4 months ago, but I didn't post it because semester exam was there. Then I went at home back, and I came like 1 month ago, but I was not able to do vlogs. But I'm trying my best. So keep liking, keep sharing, and do subscribe the channel, and do follow me on Instagram. It's like @__ shoes _lover __. I will write my here Instagram account name. You can go and follow me there. You can subscribe my YouTube channel. Do like, comment, and share it as much as you can. Please show some love. Okay, bye. Thanks.